Hello there, this video is for you if you're attempting to buy an Apple iPhone. And it's not an easy decision to make, because each phone has its own set of strengths and unique features. A like-new experience backed by a 1-year satisfaction guarantee. The iPhone 11 includes a dual-lens 12MP rear camera array. The phone also has an automatic night mode allowing the camera to take brighter pictures with reduced noise in low-light environments. Also, a redesigned camera app adds new features such as a scroll wheel for choosing between the different lenses and a feature called Quick Take, which allows the user to long press the shutter button to take a video. This renewed premium product is shipped and sold by Amazon and has been certified by Amazon to work and look like new. With at least 90% battery life, it comes in deluxe, Amazon-branded packaging and is backed by a 1-year warranty and technical support. This phone is GSM only, battery health tested and guaranteed to exceed 90% of original capacity, inspected and certified to have minor cosmetic damage, undetectable at arm's length, passed a comprehensive diagnostic test to verify like-new functionality and remove prior user personal data, includes a new, generic charging cable and UL-certified wall plug. No headphones or SIM card included. A 1-year satisfaction guarantee is new Apple goods. Do you agree with this selection of phone? Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video. Like it and subscribe to see more content like this. I have many more videos about technology on my channel. Check it out. Until next time.